Hello friends, welcome to Coaching for Technocrats, and in this video we will be discussing how coaching helps to the students who are in colleges, and mainly Technocrats. I use the word for those students who are bright first of all, and it's not right to call them students, because when you are pursuing for higher studies, especially in IT, it's more on a technical side. So this is where I use the exact word technocrats, which is the meaning of technical students, you can say, who are learning some good things. So first of all, we will discuss that while you are pursuing your higher studies in IT, like bachelor degree in IT, you might be having few questions like what subjects you need to learn. These subjects seems to be difficult, or while you will be doing the job, what things you will be having to learn the things, right? So I will be guiding you first of all some basics which you need to when you start to learn something in IT or computer science. I have mentored or coached more than 200 students, and most of them are working in good companies. Many of them are in Google, some of them are in Yahoo, many of them are in Cognizant, IBM, TCS. More than 50 students working in TCS which I have mentored with, and they are working across the globe. Many of the students are settled in Canada, many of them are in US, many of them are in UK, Europe, and in Australia. So what we focused during the coaching is they trusted first of all the coach which they are coaching with. Second thing, they followed the basics, not straight away jumping in learning anything, but focus on the basics. So first of all, we don't make session heavy, and we will focusing on what things you need to decide first. So while you are pursuing the studies, you cannot choose every subject to be expert with. When you are studying in college, they will have a specific syllabus, they will have certain theories, but to be very much practical, these theories are not helpful when you are working in a company or in a programming. These subjects are helpful to score the marks. So this is just for the study purpose. When you come out of the college and when you come out of studies, situation is different. When you appear for interview, they don't ask exactly what you have learned from the books. What they are asking is how is your logical skill, how is your IQ. So this is what you need to develop while you are studying, other than theories. So you can take note of few subjects which I am telling, which are really helpful when you will be doing the job, which you have to learn apart from your current theories. So I will be mentioning this points in this video, and you can take note of it. So the first one, which is the area of expertise, is website design. So remember, the website might look to be a heavy word, but it's very simple thing. You might be opening a website like Facebook is a simple portal. It's a huge website, you can say, but it's an example of website. And you can say Google is again a website. So there are so many popular things. You might be opening it every day, but you don't realize that is a website. So the one area of expertise which you can pursue after studies is a website design, where you need to learn some programming and you know how to develop the website. So that is one area. Second area is e-commerce. So e-commerce is also a type of website, but where you can shop online, you can shop your clothes online. The big example is Amazon. You might be searching something, I want to buy a cloth, I want to buy mobile, I want to buy something online. So that is an example of e-commerce. So that is what you call Amazon. So these are the popular things which you know about e-commerce, where you can purchase something online with your debit card or credit card. That is e-commerce. So you can be an expert of e-commerce. The third one is graphics design. You might be heard of Photoshop, Corel. You might be learning all this while you are studying in college. So that is altogether a different technique or technology where you learn how to create drawings in computers. You learn how to prepare logos, you learn how to prepare banners, and you can prepare charts, you can prepare several drawings which you might be seeing advertisement hoardings on the street of metros. So this all you can develop by yourself. So animations as well, this all are part of graphics. So that is the third area. The fourth area is mobile applications. Most of them might be using mobile. You play games, you play Mobile Legends, which is popular game, Candy Crush. These all are seems to be game, but somebody has developed that game. So if you want to develop those things by yourself, you have to learn mobile applications. This is again a different area you can learn by yourself. What you download in Play Store when you use Android phone, what you download in iOS store when you are using iPhone, this all things what you are using, it's developed by some programmer or some expert. So you yourself can become mobile application developer or an expert. So that is altogether a different area. The next area is online marketing. When you search something on Google, you are looking for something like best colleges or best coaching after studies. You saw something on top. That is because of somebody has done online marketing. For example, you want to buy clothes and then you search something, right? And then it comes like Nike, Reebok, whatever comes on the top, eBay. So this all things are result of somebody has done marketing. This marketing is not personal marketing, but in advanced term it's online marketing, where you don't need to visit anybody. You sit in an office and you operate things by your laptop or a system. And Twitter is a part of marketing, Facebook is a part of marketing, LinkedIn, so many platforms that you will learn. So this is again a new area where you sit in an office and you learn to do online marketing. The sixth one is very rare, maybe you might have heard, but it's very popular when it comes in US, your career in US and Europe. What you call is a software testing. Whatever is developed, a software, a website or anything, it cannot be released without testing. So in this profile you do kind of testing or a checking. So you will learn many tools in this area where you can identify that the software is right, software is having bugs, errors, there are mistakes. So this is again a new profile or a new career area where many of the females can join as well. It's not very tedious like programming. If you don't like programming, testing is very easy option. You need to learn certain tools, you test the softwares. Big companies like Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, they have very good vacancy for female, especially in testing. It's not very difficult like programming, but maybe you can try it out. But again, you cannot master all these 6 which I told you, because it takes several months or years to do master this area. So you have to choose only one of them. So be very clear what you like. Don't choose any subject just because your friend or somebody has chosen it. Choose what you like, what you are interested in, and then only you will become successful. So many of the universities and colleges I have been coordinating with in different countries, and I come to know that there are limitations of the colleges and professors, because when they hire some professor or teachers, they haven't worked in corporate offices or big companies. So they have limitation to learn these subjects, and that's the reason why these 6 subjects which I told is not part of the colleges or a syllabus, because it's very difficult to teach these subjects in the college because of inappropriate knowledge of the people who teach. They have limited time. That's the reason why they keep theories. So please try to keep things separate. Few things your lecturers or professor might not be 100% clear. So you have there will be a stage in your life where you need to choose a coach or a mentor. This is what my suggestion is. Stick with one coach or a mentor who will guide you, what you need to develop, where you need to be settled in the after studies, and follow it straight away. So friends, if you like any of this area, you have any query, you are interested to learn any of these things, please write a comment on this, and I will be happy to share more videos. And I will like to know your feedback, if you are able to understand the things which I have mentioned, or you have eagerness to learn things again. So that's all from this video, friends, and we will be coming up with the next video. And that's all from the coaching for Technocrats. Okay friends, thank you, bye.